Okay, so good morning. I'm wearing the Persian grays. I'm just waiting for Aurie to come back after using the bathroom, and today this is my outfit. I'm wearing a dress with a mesh shirt underneath, and we're actually gonna go to K-Town. It's gonna be really awesome. She's never been to Daiso. I know there's a Daiso there. They also have an H Mart there, which she's also never been to. And there's gonna be so many other cool things that I don't even know what they're called. There's so many cool places, and I'm so excited to see all of it. But I'm especially excited to see her reaction to it, you know? So I'm gonna try and film it all, and I don't know, it's gonna be really fun today. And then we're also gonna go to Long Beach because there's another thrift store that she really likes. Thrift stores that are like the ones that I showed her yesterday. And, oh, speaking of which, I actually found these shoes at a thrift store that I took her to yesterday that are perfect for my Shadowheart cosplay. Like, you're probably just like, what the heck are these? But these are for my Shadowheart cosplay because I don't have shoes for them yet. And my plan was to come here and pick some out. And these look pretty Renaissance-y, right? Or whatever, not Renaissance-y, medieval, right? They're actually like leather. They're 50 bucks thrifted, but they're just like brand new looking. And even though they're like not my size, they're size 9, they fit me perfectly, and they're actually super duper comfortable. So, but I'm just also just excited to like be here. And only a couple more days till we go to Las Vegas. We just have today, tomorrow, and then the next day we're spending all day going to Vegas. So I'm really excited. Okay, so we're at H Mart. I freaking love these.
I've never seen those before.
Yeah, because we're at H Mart.
I've seen these shrimp chips before, but
I don't like those. You'll have to pick something. But all I know is these are bomb. What looks interesting to you?
This is such a vibe.
Have you ever had Korean ramen?
Oh, I love Korean ramen.
Like, there's a huge whole like ramen section.
I'm gonna try this. And I don't know, there's so many things. One of my favorites.
Which ones?
The
Oh, I've never even seen these before.
kind of like this. And I've only ever seen it once. And if they have it here, I'm gonna be so excited.
What is it?
One of my friends got this and it was so good too. Oh, they're like little like baby bottles. What is that?
That's some sort of fruit that I've never seen before.
Here, I'm gonna try. I don't know. I guess I'll try this one. Like a cream kind of.
We found one that's gluten-free.
Yeah, I would like to get like a berry kind of. Ooh, this one looks cool.
And there's also Hello Kitty.
Yeah. Look at these.
Why are these bottles so pretty? Hey, those look like your buzz balls that you love.
It's so little.
Oh my god.
Sake jelly shots. Serve, chilled, and shake well more than 20 times before serving.
More than 20 times.
I want to try it.
Why does it have to be? Okay, so I really want this one because it's pink and it's gluten-free. Like, I really have to get this one. I feel like I should.
This one says it's sweet and delicious, but it's only 8%.
Two, both sweet and delicious. This one is 9%, which just seems perfect for me. I feel like this and a bottle of soju, and I'm good for the whole weekend. The beloved ramen section. Yeah, you have to get a lot. Like, I think this one's good. People like that one. You like Vietnamese pho?
I love it.
I'm not crazy about cilantro. Okay, where's my favorite? Okay, so I found the one that I like. It's this one. It's vegan. Last time I ate it like way too fast, and we have to buy a couple. It's awesome. So we got like a lot of stuff, and we're gonna have to go back to drop it all off. I'm bringing a bunch. What did you get from the thing?
I have so much. I got these fried gyoza. I'm excited.
Oh, gyoza.
It's only $3. I also love Shin Black, so I'm getting Shin Gold to try.
I'm excited. So this is my side, other than the alcohol I purchased. She's got a lot of stuff. I'm so happy for her.
I'm excited.
But I can't eat these now because they have gluten in them, I'm pretty sure. So I have to wait until after the trip. But I can do it. I can do it.
There's so many things.
Daiso. We at Daiso, Japan, because there's a Daiso Japan in Koreatown. What'd you find?
Nothing yet.
There's lots of stuff here. It's basically like, I want to say it's kind of like a dollar store thing. Kind of. But I mean, even the dollar stores aren't even like dollar stores anymore, so. Aurie just suggested that I try to find a new phone holder thing for my car because she knows how many times that like I've had to readjust it because my phone keeps falling and it keeps breaking off. I found this thing called a convenient belt that I didn't know I needed, but I'm pretty sure I need this. Like it could be for like just stuff. There's just so many things here that like you will go here and you did not even know that you needed until you were here. We are now at Paris Spaghetti, which I used to think was like actually like a French place, but I don't know. Is it actually like Korean or something? Why is it called Paris Spaghetti? I'm gonna do some research on Google real quick right now. The cinema makeup school is right next to Wapa Grill. I spent like 50 bucks there before and I got like a whole cake as well. Do you actually want to like eat here? Or would you want to like go to a sit down place? Like a... Whoa. This is awesome. This is so infuriating. I'm filming on Aurie's phone. Me filming her on her phone. And it's just like infuriating. So we are at the Koreatown Plaza food court where there's this amazing like thing. Claw machine setup thing, and I just watched Aurie like suffer like painfully like trying to get a Charmander up, but she ended up getting it. She got it. So cute. It's my best friend. And I was like encouraging her, and yeah, I was being her chat basically. We were like about to leave this place, but then I forgot that I wanted pictures, and Aurie is being so kind.
The lighting was so good.
Yeah, look at that. I took some. I don't think I took that one, but
yeah, the ones that you took, my hair is fucked up in, unfortunately.
But Aurie's being so kind to like let me go back there. And
I mean, we're still here, so why not?
So we're gonna go to Melrose right now, and there's this thrift store that she needs to go to and see called Crossroads, which is just like Buffalo Exchange that we went to yesterday.
Is it bigger?
It's bigger.
I'm so excited.
It's bigger. I mean, it looks bigger. And I'm wearing a hoodie tonight. If I don't need the hoodie though, I'm wearing my Tim Impala concert t-shirt that I got when I saw them in person with Claro.
And I'm wearing this shirt that I thrifted yesterday, or 2 days ago, I don't know. Yesterday.
Yeah.
Because it's funny and I like it.
I got this Spitfire hoodie from when I worked at a skate shop. And she's wearing her jeans.
Favorite.
Oh my god, I love those jeans. She wears them all the time.
My favorite pants ever, and I never want to because they're so comfy.
And her hair, and she's wearing her hair, which is awesome. I wish I could borrow it.
Yeah. I'm so obsessed with all of these rings, especially all of them. This one is so fun. I'm obsessed. It's the blackjack one. Ah, I need more.
I'm wearing these fire earrings because Spitfire. Oh my god, they match.
Yes.
They're from the same place that I got my binder clip purse from.
That was on my butt.
Oh, they're sticky. They're on the wall. But we're gonna go get some ramen after that though, and it's gonna be awesome. I have to do this thing every time where Aurie has to walk behind because like the path to the driveway is like super duper tight.
It feels very like walk of shamey. Like if I was like, if I like hooked up with somebody with like a situation like that, and I would take that time to contemplate what I just did and probably cry later. You know what I mean?
I'd probably like puke in the concrete.
I'd puke on the hood of the car.
I keep doing this thing where I forget like to put money in the parking meter. Like I park and I'm like, cool, let's go. But then that's not something that you could just do in LA. You could just like park somewhere for free in LA. What'd you find?
I'm gonna have to try them on. I found this cute little necklace. It's really dainty.
Oh.
And then I found some dickies that might be my size.
Dickies are good. I used to have some. Nathan, for you, we got peaks here.
What screen dog?
Where does it even say that? Anyway, this is Chipotle. Famous Chipotle.
I love Chipotle.
Really?
I love it.
I hope you can change that. Tsu ramen, place with vegan broth and gluten-free noodles. Let's go. What is the flavor? No moo. So Aurie's vlogging. And I'm sitting on Melrose. We just got Nomu right before they closed because we just had Tatsu ramen, but it wasn't satisfying. And then Aurie said that she wanted a hot dog instead. I mean, my ramen was good. Sorry, I should unlock the car for her. But on our way to Tatsu ramen, we saw like a hot dog stand that was in Nathan For You, right? And she wants that instead, so we're gonna go there. But we also wanted to get shakes first because it's called Blue Magic flavor, and it's freaking magical. So we are going to Pink's because Aurie needs her hot dog, and I'm all for it because I want the experience of going to Pink's because I know that like it was in Nathan For You. So I will live vicariously through Aurie. Yeah.
I think I might get a bacon chili cheese dog.
Do it. These are all the people who have been here, I guess, that are like famous. Are you sure you don't want a picture with the Pink's hot dog mascot? Someone got their bacon chili cheese dog. What did you get? What'd you get?
Bacon chili cheese dog with no mustard.
Damn, no mustard. No mustard.
It doesn't taste like a canned Hormel chili. You know what I mean? I don't know if they make it themselves, but it definitely tastes good. I like it. Well, this is one of those things. Don't eat it if you want to look good after eating it. This is gonna get everywhere. It is everywhere.